Right, the chopper is ready to lift off right now. We saw earlier the pilots just doing the final checklist, and they are on the ready right. They stand at the ready right now to take off as it is right now. Brigadier, the choice of our pilots today, you can also bring us up to speed on that as well. This is from the presidential team within the military.
Yes,
within the Air Force, actually.
Yes, Dubai is always a prestige to have the honor to be the one to fly the president, and we have a small team that comes from the VVIP team within the Air Force that is honored to fly this is the president locally and internationally, either within a fixed-wing aircraft or a chopper as today. As I said, always an honor to have that privilege to fly the president, just as much as also it is an honor indeed today for anybody who has been chosen to serve as a pallbearer. You have seen the colonels who are there who are going around rotating and giving their full service, you know, today, despite that demanding task. Something again that is unique to the armed forces, that the element of sacrifice and commitment when called upon.
Mm-hmm. So after this, we, of course, are expected to just cross over to Kabarak, where we can be observing also the reception of the body as well. And you've given us also a blow account of how that will be as well. Let's just hear from other panelists, Professor Noami Daba, briefly.
Duval, this is impressive. It's precision, and it is a honor for our country, comparing with what happened to former President Mugabe. We know it was chaotic and people were debating till the last moment. I think we have used all the possible instruments to make this a dignified way to send off our former president. And we have to congratulate our president, Kenyatta, for personally getting involved and making sure that every element of our society, our armed forces, are actively
I'm sorry,
involved.
let's just listen into the naturals there. This is very majestic as it's lifting off the ground right now. What a moment there. This is bearing the body of the Lieutenant Richard Moy.